Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic Fly. My name is Aditi and today I'm here to discuss with you, to share with you my honest opinions about the Photo Matte Liquid Foundation from the brand Daily Life Forever 52. And yes, here is my review video, and today I've applied it for the very first time and you will be seeing the demo also in the video. So now let's get started. So first let's talk about the packaging. So it comes in this black packaging, the standard packaging of Forever 52 products, and this product retails for rupees 1250 and it comes in 5 to 6 shades, and I have got this in the shade PLF 004, which is the shade sand. Although I wanted a lighter shade than this because this is not my skin tone, this is darker than my skin tone, and I wanted the shade biscuit basically, but it was not available, so I went ahead with this because I really wanted to try this out. So the packaging mentions the manufacturing as well as the expiry of the product. This is valid till January 23. So basically all the products from Forever 52 are having a shelf life of 2 years, which is very less, I feel. So you get 30 ml of the product in this foundation bottle, which is amazing because 30 ml is a good amount of product for a foundation. And also with these matte foundations, you don't need to have a lot of product in one go, so it will definitely last you a longer time. And this is how the packaging looks like. This is a glass bottle, so if you drop it, you are definitely going to crack the bottle and your product is going to go everywhere. And it comes with this loose cap, which I don't like at all because I'm definitely sure that I would be losing this cap very easily. It is not at all tight on the upper part. I don't know how the packaging is, so this is how loose it is. Okay, so yeah, this is the packaging. I don't like the packaging at all. And here their name, like Daily Life Forever 52 is mentioned, and then Photo Matte Liquid Foundation, and the shade number is mentioned on the bottom. So the basic thing, the main thing which attracted me is because summers are approaching and we need something matte if we are in oily skin type. Although my skin type is combination, I'm not super oily, so I really wanted to give this a try and make a review video for you guys. So now you will be seeing the demo also, and I'll just show you the consistency first. So the consistency is quite thick. Okay, so I've taken just this much. Can you see? It is not even moving. It is so thick. So I'll now blend it. The shade is very dark for me, but the coverage is really nice. On hand, it's looking pretty, very pretty. So I have applied this foundation today for the very first time, and you will be seeing the demo also. So the foundation looks pretty good. The coverage is pretty nice. This product claims that you need only one pump of the foundation to cover your whole face, although I had to use more than one pump, as you have seen in the demo, because my dark circles were still visible after blending the foundation on the face, maybe because I used a brush. So yes, I really like the way it is looking right now. I have highlighted my face with the lighter shade of concealer because the foundation was very dark shade. So pretty, I like it now. Like, it doesn't feel heavy on my face. I'm not feeling like I'm wearing a lot of foundation on the face. It looks pretty nice. And if you're someone from oily skin type, I think you should definitely go for this foundation, but make sure that you're getting the right shade. And the best part is, on their website, on the site of Daily Life Forever 52, they have particularly mentioned like which shade is suitable for which kind of skin type and which kind of undertone. So you can go ahead with your purchase, and I would give it a thumbs up. The coverage is really nice. The look is amazing. I really like the way it has turned out. So now let's wrap up the video with the pros and cons. So the first pro of this foundation is that this is a very high coverage foundation, I would say. As you can see on my hand also, the coverage is pretty nice. Second, if you are someone from oily skin type, you should definitely try this foundation because it is suitable for oily skin type as it mentions, and it photographs beautifully. Third, the shades are available on their website, so you can definitely get your shade, I think, from their website if you don't find this on Nykaa, your shade, because currently I can see only 6 shades are available on Nykaa and 4 of them are out of stock. The fourth pro is that it is a oil-free formula. It blends on your skin easily. You don't have to work too much for the blending. And the fifth is that it is a cruelty-free product, so that is a great thing. And the sixth pro, which I really like, the claim they have made that it does not clog your pores, which is amazing. Like seriously, if you have pores, I have personally pores over here, so if a foundation doesn't clog your pores, then nothing can be better than that. Definitely use a primer before applying this foundation. Moisturize your face really well, but this is definitely a great thing which this foundation claims to have. So for me, only 3 cons are there. First, the glass bottle, the packaging. I don't like the packaging. The cap is very loose. Second, the shade. Although I didn't get the right shade because it was not available, but if you get your right shade, then definitely it is a win-win situation. Third con, I would say, is that it has a shelf life of only 2 years, and it is very difficult, especially people like me, to complete a full bottle of foundation in 2 years. It is very difficult. At least I think products should have a expiry of 3 years. So the pros are definitely 6 and the cons are only 3. You can definitely go ahead with this foundation, especially if you are someone from oily skin type. As summers are approaching, just go ahead with your right foundation shade and you will be really happy with this foundation. And yes, this was all I wanted to share in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're watching me for the very first time. Just click on the red subscribe button below and the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and also please do share your experiences about this particular foundation if you have used already. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.